Okay, I'm going to be changing the battery for my Ford Focus 2015. The big thing is, people always say, I've watched a couple videos already for this model. I don't know if it's just, not sure if it's just for this model of the Ford Focus or a lot of them. It's not difficult to change a battery, because people are saying, why are you having a problem changing the battery? Because this stupid fitting right here, you got the bracket. Unless you take these parts out, you got to make sure you have the right size ratchet to take out this out here, and you got to take this part here. You got to flip this out a little bit so you can take the battery out. So family was like saying, what's wrong with you? Just easy. It's just easy as changing a battery, but it's not, because you got to take out this here before you get to the battery, because it's secured in there with the bracket. So hopefully we'll see how this goes. Out of order and out of confusion. That's why there are 12 disciples. When Judas fell, they had to replace Judas with another. God is a God of order, and He does things in His time, in His way of doing things. You know what I should have done? I should have... Difficult if you don't know what you're doing. So I should probably turn this off. So you got the cover, you got the back cover, and you got the front cover. And I'll take care of that. You put these on there, put this on the front. Alright. You don't realize this. I haven't had a working vehicle like this for about 2 weeks when it started going out. In the last 4 days, I've been jump starting my car with the new battery in the back seat for 2 days everywhere I went. I went to the dump, dumped some garbage, had to turn it off, turn it back on, had to jump start it from the back. I went to church like this, did my barbecue. You don't realize this is a blessing. A blessing. Alright, till next time, God bless you. Have a good day. Smell you later. That's loose right there. That should come out. It should come out. I don't know where it's gonna come out. There we go. Take this piece out right here. Just be able to lift it. This out. Let me see this. I have to take it out. I don't want to take it all the way, but if I have to, I will.